How to use ChatGPT to perform Coding Companion. Here are some useful tips and suggestions for Coding Companion. 1. Choose the right language. The first step in coding is to choose the right language. Depending on the type of project you want to work on, some languages may be better suited than others. Research the different languages available and choose the one that best suits your needs. 2. Start with simple programs. Start by writing simple programs that allow you to practice the basics of coding. This will help you build a strong foundation for more complex projects. 3. Practice and repeat. The more you practice, the better you will become. Practice coding regularly and repeat the same programs multiple times to reinforce what you've learned. 4. Use online resources. There are many online resources available for learning to code, such as tutorials, forums, and online courses. Take advantage of these resources to learn more about coding and to get help when you need it. 5. Collaborate with others. Collaborating with other coders can be very helpful, as you can learn from each other and share ideas. Join coding communities or find a coding partner to work with. 6. Break down problems. When faced with a difficult coding problem, break it down into smaller parts. This will make the problem easier to solve and help you avoid feeling overwhelmed. 7. Debugging. Debugging is an essential part of coding. Learn how to use debugging tools and strategies to help you find and fix errors in your code. 8. Read code. Reading other people's code can be a great way to learn new techniques and gain a deeper understanding of coding. Look for open source projects that interest you and read through the code to see how it works. 9. Document your code. Documenting your code is essential, as it makes it easier for other people to understand what you've written. Include comments in your code that explain what each part of the code does. 10. Keep learning. Finally, never stop learning. Coding is a constantly evolving field, and there is always something new to learn. Stay up to date with new technologies and coding techniques by attending conferences, reading blogs, and taking online courses. Here are some reputable sources for Coding Companion. Codecademy. Codecademy is an online learning platform that offers courses in various programming languages, web development, data science, and more. The courses are interactive and feature real-world projects to help you apply what you've learned. Stack Overflow. Stack Overflow is a community-based platform where programmers can ask and answer questions related to coding. The platform has a reputation system that rewards users for providing helpful answers, so you can trust that the answers you get are reliable. GitHub. GitHub is a code hosting platform that allows programmers to collaborate on projects, share code, and track changes. It's a great resource for finding open source projects to contribute to and for learning from other people's code. Udemy. Udemy is an online learning platform that offers courses in various programming languages, web development, data science, and more. The courses are created by experts in their respective fields, so you can trust that you're learning from reputable sources. Coursera. Coursera is an online learning platform that offers courses from top universities and companies. They offer a wide range of courses in computer science, programming, and data science, so you can choose the one that best suits your needs. Mozilla Developer Network. Mozilla Developer Network is a comprehensive resource for web developers that provides documentation and tutorials on various web development technologies and techniques. The content is written and maintained by experts in the field, so you can trust that it's reliable. W3 Schools. W3 Schools is a popular online resource for learning web development technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and more. The tutorials are interactive and feature real-world examples to help you learn. FreeCodeCamp. FreeCodeCamp is a non-profit organization that offers free online courses in web development, data science, and more. The courses feature real-world projects that allow you to apply what you've learned. HackerRank. HackerRank is a platform that offers coding challenges and competitions to help you improve your coding skills. The challenges are designed by experts in the field, so you can trust that they're relevant and up-to-date. CodePen. CodePen is a social development environment for front-end developers. It allows you to build, test, and showcase your code, as well as collaborate with other developers. The platform is a great resource for learning new techniques and sharing your work with others.